up everyone, welcome to my vlog, and today's video we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. So I'm really excited about this because I bought it actually last month and I haven't got a chance to unbox this and show to you guys my new collection of kicks sneakers. And yeah, so let's do this unboxing with me. Let's go. Ayan, so for today, we're gonna be doing another Nike shoes unboxing. And I've already done another type of Nike unboxing on my channel, which is the Nike Triple Black Presto. So for this video, we're gonna be doing another Presto shoes in black and white color. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this because I've been looking for these shoes, and I have mentioned that they actually discontinued this collection. So now they actually relaunched these shoes last year, so which is 2021. So yeah, let's go, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So for this Nike collection on this box, it's actually, I got a size 40, size UK 9, so it's actually like size 44. My Nike Triple Black will be 42 and a half, so it's actually a bit smaller. So I got this one size bigger because I think it's more comfortable, and it's more like more, you know, there's more space on my feet. So I got a bigger size up. So yeah. So yep, let's open this box and I will show you guys what's the design of the black and white Presto, the style and the material used for this shoes. So yeah, according to this, it's the black and white Nike Air Presto in size Euro 44 UK 9. So yeah, this is the box. So let me just open it for you guys to see what I got. So I got the black and white Nike Presto. Look at this. Look at this style, the material used for this Nike Air Presto. As you can see, guys, they use a plastic protector front side, and then a gray, like a black see-through plastic material on the side, and the check, the five dots. And actually this one is really good for like a daily casual wear during summer, or like a cold, kind of like a cold season like autumn. It's actually good for like wearing jogging pants or shorts, basketball short or something like that. So yeah, yeah, I think this one is really a good collection to get, and I would really recommend you guys to get one of these pair. So it's actually very comfortable to use and really affordable. It's not that expensive, but it's really good to have for your daily use. It's actually also good for running. If you love to do running every day, I would suggest you guys to get one of these. And they actually do have a lot of collection color for this style for Nike Air Presto. They actually have some high cuts, and these are the low cuts. So yeah, it's really good. Look at this. There's a black check, and on your left side will be the white check here on the other side. So it's actually like a different check design. So for the sole, to see the size, it will be inside the shoes. Let me show you guys where to find it. It's actually on, if you're using your right shoes, it's actually on the left side, and you can see the size shoes there, and the according to them, to see if it's really authentic. You can see the code inside the shoe, according to the box as well. On here they have the number of the shoe code, the CT355 0001. So you can also check it inside. If it's really the same and authentic, then it should be the same code as well inside the shoes. Should be inside here. Can you see that white thing here? Yeah, it should be here. So yeah, so you guys can find out if it's really authentic. But this one I got it from Foot Locker, so I'm 100% that it should be 100% authentic because it's from the Foot Locker shop in Hong Kong. And this one cost me around 899 Hong Kong dollar. The last time I got my triple black Presto is actually from Singapore. They ship it from Singapore to Hong Kong, so it actually costs a bit more due to the, I think, delivery charge. So when I found out that they have this shoe in Foot Locker, I immediately got this pair because I've been looking for this color, the black and white. So yeah, look at this. So that is it for my vlog for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any further question, comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button for more videos, so you get updated every time I upload a new video on my channel. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys soon, and see you guys on my next vlog.